Hello, Facebook. Hi, everybody. Jamie here. Happy Tuesday to you. It is Tuesday, October 23rd, and I am live here at the Aroma Thyme bar. So thank you for watching me. I'll give everybody a minute here to join me. I haven't seen the post go out yet, so the notification has not gone out yet, but I see that people are liking, giving me hearts. So, oh, it's Marcus. Hello, Marcus. And thank you very much for watching. If you are watching me live, you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. We are closed today. It is Wednesday. Actually, I think I just said Tuesday, but it's Wednesday, October 20th. And we are closed Tuesdays and Wednesdays. We'll be reopened tomorrow on Thursday, the 21st. And Courtney's birthday is this weekend, so she'll be turning 22. So happy birthday to Courtney on Saturday. It's going to be a crazy weekend. We have a lot of catering going on. We have a wine dinner on Monday night, 4 wines in a dish for $29. Our special for the week just came out. It's going to be a $12.99 special this week, and it's pork, and I don't remember what Marcus is serving it with. I think it's barbecue sauce. It's a smoked pork. Just not sure all the details yet, so stay tuned for that. I'll have that all for you tomorrow. It's $12.99 to go. So thanks for watching me. Hello, Thomas. Hello, Matthew. Marcus, if you're watching, if you can drop maybe the link or the info on our $12.99 special this week, that would be great. I know he just got done with a bike ride. I know he's watching me. Hello, Matthew. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. We have an event here tonight for the Boys and Girls Club of, I think it's Orange County. That is in our back garden. It's a wine and cheese event, and it is $50 a person. So if anybody's out there and wants to join us, that would be awesome. It is a donation, and we are donating and contributing for the fundraiser for the Boys and Girls Club. So, okay, Marcus just dropped it. Roast pork loin with garlic, mashed potatoes, and barbecue sauce for $12.99 to go. That is all weekend long till Monday, and our new special will come out on Thursdays now. So thanks for watching me. I am going to be making something called a Juniper rose. One of our guests sent this to me, so I've never made it before, but I thought I would share it with you. I am going to use Bloom Jasmine Rose Gin, lime juice, thyme agave, and grapefruit juice. So I'm going to add a little bit of thyme agave to the bottom of my glass. I'm making 2 today, and I'm going to add 2 ounces of Jasmine Rose Gin. I'm excited about that. Jasmine Rose Gin. Have to open another bottle here. Look at that color. That's a beautiful color, that rose color. So 2 ounces. And another little splash in there. Awesome. I'm gonna mix that on up because the agave will dissolve in the gin. I'm gonna add a couple of splashes of lime juice. All right. And I'm going to add ice. Ice to the glasses. And I'm going to top it off with some fresh grapefruit juice from my juicer. I made fresh grapefruit juice today, so fresh grapefruit juice. I'm going to mix that on up. And there you have it, the Juniper Rose. So let's see. You know, I have not really gone live yet. I haven't seen the post, so hopefully people are checking it out and seeing it. If not, hopefully you'll watch it later. If you're watching it live, put hashtag live. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. And yesterday I had so many viewers. Today I don't really have many viewers, so not sure what the algorithm is today. I see some people joining now. Hello, Sean. Yeah, so some people are joining now. We are closed. It is Tuesday, Wednesday. We'll be reopened tomorrow. This weekend, it's not supposed to be super warm, so I believe we will be doing inside dining all weekend. If you want to sit out in the garden, you're more than welcome to, but we ask that you come in and order, and we will deliver it out to you, but it's not going to be full service outside this weekend. It is going to be cold. I think the highs are only supposed to be in the 50s, so a little cold for my staff at nighttime to be outside. Hope you understand. You can always take out from Aroma Thyme. Marcus and I are really appreciative of all your support, and stay tuned for more Facebook Lives. Oh, I didn't taste my drink, so let's go ahead and taste this. Gin, grapefruit, thyme, agave, and some lime juice. And that's it for today. Hope everybody has an awesome night, and I will catch you tomorrow. Cheers.